A while back I did a video about how you shouldn't save all those plastic bags that you get from the grocery store. And a lot of people chimed in about all the many ways in which they use them. So then I did a follow-up video talking about the fact that there are so many states now that don't allow plastic bags. They don't give them to you. And all the many ways in which people use them. And I've still gotten more people giving me more ideas about how they use them. So I thought I'd do yet another video on that. You are a resourceful bunch of people. So first of all, some people use them to wrap up Christmas ornaments when they're storing them. Instead of using tissue paper or maybe bubble wrap, they use the plastic bags. Storing dirty diapers, whether it's children's or adults' diapers, when you put them in the garbage. I thought that was a really great idea. Using them for wet bathing suits. Like if you go to the gym and you leave the gym, you don't want to put a wet bathing suit in your gym bag, so they put them in the plastic bags to keep everything else dry. Stuffing outdoor pillows. I thought that was an amazingly good idea. And someone even said stuffing a scarecrow in their garden with the plastic bags, because of course they're impervious to the moisture. Dirty laundry in your suitcase. If you're traveling and you take those along, and then you put your dirty clothes in the plastic bags so that you know what dirty clothes are when you get home from your trip. Somebody said they crochet them into doormats. I thought that was very creative, but then someone else told me there's a group of people who crochet them into sleeping mats for the homeless, which I think is just amazing. So you are a very resourceful bunch of people, and I just think it's awesome what all the uses are that you come up with for these plastic bags. So I will try to link the other video or videos in the description box here for you so that you can follow those as well. And if you're enjoying my videos, I hope that you will follow me and hit that like button.